Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's start with some ideas for a lightweight summer EDC setup. During the summertime I prefer a lightweight but very functional EDC kit, and here are some ideas when it comes to multi-tools, sharpening equipment and knives. The start of the idea for this video was this really cool hip bag from Fenix. It's very lightweight and it's an extremely slim design, and I thought it would be a great idea to build up a lightweight setup for the coming summer. When it comes to pocket knives, I want to talk about two legendary tools. First of all, the Spyderco Centofante 1. This model is a discontinued model and only available on the second market. I normally prefer more classic blade shapes, but this design was excellent over the last years for EDC. I love the compact design, the great pocket clip, the quality is outstanding, and I love the grip with the rubberized handles. When you are looking for a lightweight option that's more budget friendly, the models from Opinel are a great choice too. I love the versions with carbon steel. You will get a lot of knife for the money, and I use the Opinel knives especially for carving tasks. Let's talk about plier-based multi-tools, and we start also with a discontinued version. This one is the Leatherman side clip. It's one of my most used multi-tools ever because of the lightweight and the compact design, in combination with the basic toolset and the excellent pocket clip. Like the Spyderco Centofante 1, this model is only available on the second market. When you are looking for a multi-tool that's still available in combination with a compact size and a lightweight design, maybe the SOC PowerPint is a great option. I have to mention that I have some problems with the build quality and the functionality of this SOC tool, but the combination of a plier-based multi-tool in a compact and lightweight design with this toolset is great for EDC. For my compact and lightweight kits, I love the sharpening equipment from DMT. This one is a green version, it's the extra fine version, and there's also, for example, a red version, that's the fine version. Really cool equipment, lightweight and very useful. The Ruike models are a great choice for basic tools with a great price-performance ratio. This one is the S21B. You see it, the scales are hard used and it's one of my most used tools ever. This is the Victorinox Evo Grip S18. It's a great basic toolset for your EDC kits. With a locking blade you have a saw, you have scissors, you have a nail cleaning tool, different combination tools. On the back side you find the Phillips head screwdriver, the awl, and you also have the tweezers and the toothpick. The Fenix E12 in the third version is one of the most underrated EDC flashlights ever. This high quality flashlight is powered by a AA battery, the build quality is excellent, and I love the universal two-way pocket clip. When you are looking for an EDC pen with a great price-performance ratio, the Caran d'Ache 849 is always a great choice. I found this little bit kit here in a local store, and in combination with this little ratchet from Bosch, you have a small and compact toolkit included in your EDC kit. Last but not least, one of my all-time favorites, this is a little fries fork. It's lightweight, it takes no space, and it's a great companion for the summer. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your favorite lightweight EDC items for a summer carry.